Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are excited to show off some beautiful Alembika that just landed in the boutique.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, what a party it was yesterday.
It was
had
so
such a
great.
good time.
Yeah, thank you for all of you
Thank you.
that came out.
Yeah.
That was really fun.
And all your excitement and your, support. It was great. Thank you so much. We'll do it again.
Yes, we'll definitely do it again. That was a hit. It was fun.
Yeah, and what amazing pieces. I'm
Oh,
sure.
my goodness.
Well, you did agree because, you liked a lot and a lot of it went home with you. So we are just doing a little recap and showing you what we unboxed.
And
how to
style
it.
these beautiful pieces up from Alembika. Absolutely. I mean, we can't say enough about the fabric.
I know.
It is
They're showstoppers.
exquisite.
Right?
Yeah, it's absolutely exquisite.
And it feels like a million.
Feels like $1 million. And we can't get over these pants, ladies, so we definitely wanted to highlight the pants today. Lousje has on this amazing color.
Tell you the truth, I do not want to take them off because they form around your body. They move every which way. The waist is beautiful.
Beautiful.
And it's at the right spot too. It's not too high, it's not too low, it's right in the middle.
Yeah.
And I'll show you what they look like on top. They've got these
They're
beautiful
so cool.
pockets and they're cool.
Yeah, they're
these
so
beautiful
cool.
pockets. Then this drawstring you can use for tightening. I cuffed them because
Yeah,
they're
I love
long.
that. They
You
are
like it?
Well,
You
they
like
are
that
long.
look?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
we like to, well, we're shorter, I feel
Yeah.
like. We're 5'2" and 5'3". We either cut our jeans and then roll a cuff, or, I mean, we would hem them, but I like the texture.
Me too.
So I would just cut them maybe and then just cuff them once.
Yeah, I love it with this top, but I have so many tops at home, like black, I have a black long t-shirt, a black shirt, button up. Oh my
Even
God,
those
that would be
new
gorgeous.
Ozayanku,
Yes.
those big,
With the pleating at the bottom.
yeah,
Yes.
the linen shirts,
Yes.
they're gorgeous.
Yeah.
They would be beautiful with that.
Yeah, and white. White.
Yeah,
and this.
white and black, yeah.
And then, of course, you've got the basic black, which is a
I have the
no-brainer.
basic black. So you can, so
You
me
could
and
wear
Lousje
this
have,
all year.
I know,
Yours.
you could.
Yeah.
You could. So me and Lousje both have on the size 0. And she said, why are they so tight on you? And I said, well, because you're
I
much
don't
smaller
see
than
it.
me.
I
But
don't see
anyways,
it.
you can see they're so stretchy. They feel amazing.
Yeah, they look great.
They look great. So they
And
go
the-
a 0 to 5, and you can check the size chart. As always, if you have any questions, let us know. So I decided to pair up this dress. I'll show you a picture of it on its own. Fabulous piece.
Yeah.
But I thought, how
Yeah,
cool
it's-
is that to have the pants kind of
Totally.
popping out?
I love that look.
The pants, and the pants
Yeah.
have a little bit of like I don't want to
Texture.
say like a little bit of a sheen texture to it. So it just adds to the outfit. Yeah,
It's a
and
funky
it's-
pant.
The depth of it is awesome.
Yeah.
And then of course a beautiful moth.
Moth.
We have put in a request to get more moth in.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah.
Okay,
So
because,
Leslie's
we're
working
low.
away. Well, hopefully that'll be in soon because the rainbow's all sold out.
Yeah.
Well, quite a few of them are sold out.
The
but
red too, right?
the red, we
Yeah.
still have a few.
Oh, we do?
Yeah,
Okay.
and the black.
Okay.
But you, I know, gorgeous.
Love,
I know.
love.
We've been grabbing these pieces all the time
Yeah.
because they're so our style.
Yeah.
And they just add to every
So
outfit.
artsy.
And it's so simplistic too,
Simplistic
right?
but artsy makes
Yeah.
a real statement. And then
Little cuties.
Ayala cuties.
Yeah.
Love, love, love.
Gorgeous.
An amazing hang
Yeah.
and an amazing bracelet.
Ziska. Ladies, I have on again.
Oh!
This, I feel like it's forming to my wrist here. It
Yeah.
might have to come home with me one of
It
these
might
days.
be stuck.
But
one of these
it
days.
feels so amazing. It's like
It's gorgeous,
Oh, it's
Tessa.
gorgeous.
It's really
and I think it's
beautiful.
really cool too to wear it with the 2 buttons in the front.
Yeah,
How
that's
cool is
right.
that, right?
Listen, what does my tunic look like in the back?
Amazing.
Is there a yoke or?
Yeah, here, show the ladies. It comes here and then there's a little
yeah.
line. Yeah, beautiful. But look
Yeah.
at the crinkle in this fabric. It's so gorgeous and
And
how
I
they
would-
piece it together.
You could wear this too with black leggings, with the Lousje and Bean pull leggings.
You could wear it, yeah, and then you can have our little long tank, right?
Yeah.
That would be awesome.
That would be really nice.
You should show
Let
that.
me see the back. Oh yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah.
So what's in the front carries on to the back.
Yeah, and pockets. Do you have pockets?
Yeah, I do
I
have
have pockets.
pockets.
Amazing.
Yes.
It's so nice and light and playful, very playful.
yeah.
And so up our alley, right? The
Yeah.
black, the white, the polka dots.
I'm thrilled.
This chartreusey gorgeous color. Like we can't say enough. We could go on and on.
So anyway, there's an tag in here that tells you how to look after it with instructions.
Oh, very
so
cool.
when you wash it, you roll it after it comes out of the washing machine. You know, we used to do it in the 60s and 70s, and then you roll it, and I don't know if they say put a string around it, but or an elastic, and then that's how it dries.
Yeah.
So you take it out, and it keeps the wrinkles. No dryer.
No, never. Gosh. Ladies, please don't put your nice pieces in the dryer.
No,
Only
no.
towels and underwear and socks.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I don't put anything in the dryer, just those pieces.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says here to lay it out in the shade outside, which I would do. I do anyway.
Yeah.
In the summertime.
It'll dry so quick.
Then it dries very quickly.
These pieces here too, ladies, we'll show these on. Absolutely gorgeous.
That's so cute.
Isn't that so great?
Little button down.
I know.
Love.
And this is fabulous on you. And then the back, look at that. What a statement.
I know.
That's such a statement piece.
The fabric's got a little sheen.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
again, travel, like pieces are endless. You can wear them all year.
Endless.
So we were just joking around. She said to me when I put on these shoes, "Oh, look how swollen your feet are."
She's got little puffy
So
feet.
I'm all puffy all over because I had sushi last night.
And she drank the soy sauce. Well, it's very salty.
It is very
and
salty.
I know you. You load it up. You load up.
I
the
love
salt.
it. With a lot of wasabi. Oh my
Yeah.
God, and ginger.
Yeah.
So my daughter is a sushi fanatic. I think
I
we
think
all
she has
are.
it every night.
Yeah. I mean, if you don't eat fish, of course, but raw fish. But I mean, a lot of people love sushi. So we were just talking about making it. Kristen just made it the other day, and I'm having friends over this week to make it. We'll have to show pictures of it.
Yeah. You
But
used
it's
to
so
do
fun.
It. You used
yeah,
to do
all the
it.
time. So
Yeah.
I go to Tony's fish market.
Yeah.
And buy some fish there, sushi grade fish. She has it there in the freezer, salmon, or tuna, everything. But we always buy the salmon.
Right.
And then we do avocado and
Yeah.
cucumbers and and then you can buy imitation crab too at the grocery store.
Yeah.
And make some California rolls.
Right.
Which is
What
so-
rice do you use? Basmati?
No, you have to use sushi rice.
Oh, is there special sushi rice?
Yeah.
Oh, I
you
see.
can buy it at the because our favorite grocery store is Freshco. Because it has such an amazing international section.
It does.
It's so funny in there. But anyways,
It does.
it's
You know,
great.
on Fridays, the buses come or big vans, and all the migrant workers from the wineries come and shop.
Yeah,
The
'cause they-
Mexicans
yeah, they-
and the
it's-
Jamaicans. It's a really cool place.
I love
Yeah.
it. But I think you can get sushi rice there, but I go or to Din Din,
Yeah.
the Vietnamese
Korean
place
or
there.
Vietnamese,
yeah,
yeah.
and then or Tony's Fish Market has it too downtown St. Paul Street.
And then do you have your little mat?
And then we have our mat, our rolling mat, and you do the whole
so cool.
deal.
Oh, it's fun to do with the kids.
Yeah. So
Right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So a friend of mine, she wants to see how to do it. It's super fun and easy. So we're gonna do a little sushi
Awesome.
party.
Awesome.
So I was just test driving last night, and now I'm all swollen. No, I'm just joking. Anyways, all right, ladies. We hope you enjoyed these pieces. We absolutely love them.
And we're going to do some more unboxing in the store because it was a super hit.
Yeah,
We'll
a
let
live
you know.
one. Absolutely, it was
We'll
so
keep you
fun, and it was
posted.
kind of exciting to have the suspense of the new line landing in the boutique.
Right.
We will be styling up a few more pieces tomorrow, so watch out for that because they're absolutely gorgeous.
Right.
And as always,
Keep on smiling.